Welcome to OG Benchmarks. This channel follows my attempts to learn about PC building through messing around with older computer hardware. When I say older, I'm talking mostly early generations of Intel, i3, i5, i7, and non-Ryzen AMD CPUs, as well as AMD and NVIDIA GPUs from that same time period. I put together systems and benchmark them with standard software and some light gaming. I do try to follow new hardware releases and will provide commentary from time to time. If you enjoy seeing computer hardware put through its paces, then please check out this channel and subscribe. Take care.